So hello बच्चों, today we are going to learn about large numbers. So tell me what is number? So over here you can see it is written A, B. Are these numbers? No. These are alphabets. And now over here it is written 5. So this is number? Yes. So numbers are basically 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So let us read once. Numbers are symbols we use to represent amounts and quantities. They help us to count, measure and do maths. Now what is amounts? Amounts means rupees, right? Quantities means in kg, meter, centimeter, etc. They help us count 1, 2, 3, 4, you count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, you count. Measure. If this is a scale and I write 1, 2, 3, 4. So using this scale you do measure something like board or chair. So measurement. And do maths. Obviously you do maths using the numbers. Numerals for any number, howsoever large it may be, are written by using the 10 digits only. These are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. If I write 9, 8, 6, 4, 3. So I have used 9, 8, 6, 4 and 3 from these digits only. If I write 6, 6, 4, 4. See, I have repeated 6 twice and 4 twice. Again, I have used the numbers from here only. So, however large or small the number may be, only these 10 digits are used to form any number. Okay. Now, what are large numbers? So, firstly, we have to know what is small number. Small numbers are basically from 0 to 999. Number greater than this. If I add 1 with 999, it becomes 1000. So from here, large number starts. A large number is any number greater than 999. Example, 1000. Now 1000 is the smallest large number. Right? Okay. Now, why are large number important? To measure a larger quantity or distance, suppose can you measure the distance between sun and moon using a number from 0 to 999? I think no. So you obviously need very large number to measure. Suppose this is India. Suppose you are starting your trip from here and you are ending your trip here. So can you measure this with 999 only? I think no. For that you need large number. Now let us read once. Large numbers help us describe big quantities such as the population of a city, the number of stars in the sky or the distance between the planets, as I said. Now see, large number in population. Countries have very large populations. For example, India has a population of about 1 billion people. So if we convert 1 billion to Indian system, what will it be? It will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So it will be 140 crore, right? Okay. Again, they are used to measure long distances. For example, the distance between the earth and the sun is about 15 crore kilometer, right? Okay. Now you know this thing. Let's revise. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million, and this is 1 billion. So this is the international system. So if it is in Indian system, then what will it be? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore, 10 crore, 100 crore. Right? Okay. Okay, now smallest and greatest 4-digit number. Smallest number, just now I have told you, what will it be? 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. And what will be the largest? You just need to write 9999. See? 999, 4 digits, and 9 is the greatest. If you add 1 to it, what will be? Okay. Now this is again the smallest 5-digit number. Right? So let's see. See, if you add 1, it becomes the smallest 5-digit number. Then what will be the greatest 5-digit number? It will be 99999. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit. Done? It is right. Now if I add again 1 with it, it will become the smallest 6-digit number. Smallest 6-digit number. See, this is the smallest 6-digit number. Then what will be the largest? Again 9999999. Right? See? Right? So again if I add 1, so this will be again the smallest 7-digit number. Smallest 7-digit number. See, this is the smallest 7-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what will be the largest again? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7-digit number which is the greatest is 9999999. Done. Similarly, you try and tell me what will be the 8-digit number. Just pause the video and think for 2 minutes. Okay. So again if you add 1 with the 7-digit number, then it will be 8-digit numbers. Right? And okay, then smallest and greatest will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? So greatest number is, you have to write 8 times 9. Done? Okay, it's video time. Yeah, why can't we measure it with centimeter? Because it is too tiny. So for measuring different types of thing, we need different types of number and different types of unit. For this thing only we have divided numbers into 2 parts as small number and large number for our own convenience, so that we can understand how quantities and qualities varies from things to things, place to place, distance to distance, etc.
A meter to be used as a measuring unit. Hence, we use something called as millimeters. That's what mm stands for. How small is this unit? Well, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Each millimeter is 1/10 the length of a centimeter. Now let's say you want to measure the dimensions of your kitchen area.
again the length and breadth of the kitchen is much larger than the phone. That's why we will need large number here to measure it, and also the unit will vary. It will be very difficult if you measure the length and breadth in centimeter here. That's why we are using meter.
Is equal to 100 centimeters. So instead of saying that your kitchen length is 1000 centimeters, you can say that it's 10 meters. Let me quickly recap what we learned. 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters and 1 meter is 100 centimeters. For measuring slightly larger lengths, we use meters, and for tiny lengths, we use millimeters. Let me ask you a simple question now. If 1 meter is 100 centimeters, then can you tell me how much 1 meter is in terms of millimeters? As 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters, 1 meter will be 100 times 10 millimeters. And that equals 1000 millimeters. So 1 meter is 1000 millimeters. So is meter the largest unit of measuring length? What if we want to measure the distance between two cities? Meter as a length would be too tiny. Hence we also have something called the kilometers. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. The distance between Mumbai and Ahmedabad is around 520 kilometers. Remember, kilo is around 1000 of something. Hence, a kilometer is 1000 meters. And milli is 1000 of something. Hence, 1 millimeter is 1000 of a meter. Yes, milli is 1000 times smaller. Similarly, centi is 100 times smaller. It doesn't end here. There are units smaller than milli and larger than kilo. But this is what we will restrict ourselves to in this session.
Yeah, so see, if you convert this, what will be 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 520 kilometer is equal to 520,000 meter. So which is nothing but a large number. Understood? Okay. So next topic is expanded form of numbers. So what is expanded form? See, there is a big number written. Okay. If I split this number, see, this number can be written as 4 then you just put 0 in the first line. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now bring 7 and again you put zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now is 8. You put 8 and fill with zeros. Then it is written 3. Just bring 3 down and 0, 0. Again 6 down. 0, 0, then 2. You add all this and what number will you get? Again 4, 7, 8, 3, 6, 2. Right? So it is what? When you are adding 4,70,000, 8,360 and 2, you are getting this number. Understood? So let's practice some more. Similarly, what is written? 4678. So, how will you expand it? 4 will be 4, then 3 zeros. 4, then 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. Then 6, 2 zeros. 1, 2. Then 7, 8. Then 17, 1 0. Then only 8 is left. So 8. Then 4000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 8. Now you solve this by pausing this video for 2 minutes and then you see the answer yourself. What will be it? 32681. So we will break down as 30,000, then 2,000, then 6,000, then 80 and last remaining 1. Okay. Similarly, I am writing here 9000. 0 will be always 0 only. 2, 0 and 3. See, similar thing is written. 0, 20 and 3. Done? Here also first 30 lakhs, then 60,000, 2,374. Right? Okay. You can write this in words also. 30 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs 60 3 lakhs 60,000 to 74. This 3 lakhs 60,000 2,374. Right? Next. Similarly, you have to just expand this. You just pause the video and try yourself and then check the answer. So it is written as 2 lakhs, then 0 is 0, then 3,450 plus 6. Similarly here this is expanded as 6 lakhs 40,000 0 800 again 0 again 9. So done. Okay. Now it is been given here that how can we break and compare this number in both Indian system and international system. Okay. So I am drawing a box for Indian and another one for international. So in Indian it is given 7,50,000. So how will you break it? Firstly you can write 7 0 0 0 0 0. then 5 will come here, 50, 0, 0, then 0, then 0, then 0 and 0. If you add this thing, you will get this number only. Or you can write 7, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 50, 0, 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 plus 0, right? And in international it will be 750, 0, 0, 0. So similarly you can write it as 7, 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 50, 0, 0, 0, okay, plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Done. I hope you have understood how to expand numbers, what are numbers, what is the use of large number, what are small numbers in this lecture, and the next part we will continue in the next class. So thank you students.